The journey starts today. The journey starts today. It's a big, big world, but you know where to find me. We'll be together and we're gonna do it our way. We'll discover we believe in each other. On adventures with my friends like every day. Dawn's rising over the horizon to shine a light on what the day ahead is hiding. We'll stick together, leaping into the deep end. The adventure only ends when another begins. And we're already on our way. The journey starts today. The journey starts far from home, but we're never feeling lonely. Headstrong, stepping headlong into the dark. Hold on, cause we're heading there on our own. Whatever happens in the end will forever be changed. Imitate us, but you won't intimidate us. We keep on looking for another way to break us. Because we know if there's a will, there's a way back up. Win or lose, we can choose to be never the same. And we're already on our way. The journey starts today.
Calling all Transformers! Tonight, we're finally gonna draw the creator of the Cybertronian race. We're finally gonna draw Quentesson.
If I gotta run, will you be coming with me? Cause I got your back and you got mine. And there's nothing that can stop us now. If all else fails, will you help me when I lose my way? Set your sails to be ready for the winds of change. Cause the journey starts today. The journey starts today. The journey starts today. The journey starts today.
Alexa, play Transformers.
Here's the Transformers theme by Lion on Amazon Music.
One thing about the Quintessons, their personalities are involved in those skulls that they have on their upper halves. They can swap their heads at will. Here's the crystal orb, otherwise known as the Allspark. That's one half done. The quintessons are awesome. They even showed up on the toy line one time on Target. There we are. This is what they are. And there, that's how you draw a quintesson. Don't mind the spark. This is what... These are the tentacles that it comes with. Anyway, that is how you draw a quintesson. Let me know what Transformer you want me to draw next. I'm always here, and I won't stop until I draw them all. Stegosaurus, see you later. Good night.